Have you ever wanted to make your own video game? It's easier than you think. With Scratch, you can create cool games with colorful characters and fun challenges. In this tutorial, we're going to make a jumping chick game. Get ready to code, create, and let your imagination soar. This is going to be an exciting journey, and by the end of it, you'll be a game developer. No prior experience is needed, just your enthusiasm and a sprinkle of creativity. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to the Scratch website. Scratch is a free programming language where you can build all sorts of amazing things. In your web browser, type in scratch.mit.edu and hit enter. See that Join Scratch button at the top of the page? Click it and follow the instructions to create your very own Scratch account. Pick a username you love and don't forget your password. This is your gateway to the world of coding and game creation. Now that you're all set up with Scratch, it's time to bring our main character to life, the jumping chick. Click on the Create button on the Scratch website. You'll be taken to a new project where the magic happens. See that little cat in the middle of the screen? That's Scratch's mascot. But we're going to create our own star. Click on the Choose a Sprite button. It looks like a little picture of a cat with a plus sign. Type chick into the search bar and choose the chick sprite you like best. Click on it to add it to your project. Now, let's teach our chick how to jump. Click on the Code tab at the top of the screen. This is where we'll give our chick instructions using code blocks. Don't worry, it's like building with digital Legos. Start by clicking on the Events category on the left. Drag and drop the When Space key pressed block onto the coding area. Next, go to the Motion category and grab the Change Y by 10 block. Connect it below the When Space key pressed block. Section 5. Adding obstacles to the game. A jumping game needs obstacles, right? Let's add some. Click on the Choose a Sprite button again, and this time, search for something like fence or cactus. Choose the obstacle you like and add it to your project. Now, we need to make the obstacle move. Click on your obstacle sprite, and then go to the Code tab. This time, we'll use a forever loop from the Control category. Inside the loop, put a Move 10 steps block from the Motion category. Section 6. Testing and debugging your game. Time to see our game in action. Press the green flag at the top of the screen to start your game. Try pressing the spacebar to make your chick jump. Do the obstacles move? Is your chick jumping high enough? If something isn't working quite right, don't worry. That's what debugging is all about. Check your code blocks carefully. Did you connect them in the right order? Are the numbers correct? Keep experimenting and testing until everything works smoothly. Section 7. Making your game more challenging. Let's make our game even more exciting. Try adding more obstacles with different speeds and sizes. You can even add a score to keep track of how well the player is doing. To keep score, you can create a variable from the Variables category. Each time the chick successfully jumps over an obstacle, increase the score by 1. Display the score on the screen so the player can see how they're doing. Section 8. Sharing your creation. You did it! You created your very own jumping chick game. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click on the Share button at the top of the screen and give your game a catchy title and description. You can share your game with your friends and family, or even with the entire Scratch community. Who knows? You might even inspire other budding game developers with your creation. Section 9. Keep on creating. Congratulations on making your very own jumping chick game. Remember, this is just the beginning of your coding adventure. Keep experimenting with Scratch, try out different blocks and features, and let your imagination run wild. There's a whole universe of possibilities waiting for you in the world of coding. So go forth, create something amazing, and most importantly, have fun. Happy coding!